concept. And I am thrilled to introduce you today to our newest technology. It's a vibroacoustical sound therapy device, but not just any sound therapy device. This is a vibe system that is a vibrational, individualized body enhancement system. Dr. Stephen Schwartz has done a fabulous and amazing job alchemizing beautiful and intelligent selections of, I love what he calls soundceuticals. These short treatments can be combined or used singularly and just are amazing supports and releases for helping you get through these stages of trauma. What I most want to express is what a gift this vibrational technology is to people that are suffering the intensity of internal pain and emotion that comes along with psychological and in the head issues, contradictions. There's nothing out there. There's no better treatment in the world. This is immediate comfort. This is a totally new experience for people. The way that the vibrational sounds and the conscious selection of alchemized music is put together, the sensory resonance that comes together within the body is unmatchable. I'm so excited for you guys to try this. The vibe is out of this world.